watching. I hope you're all okay. I was drawn to do this meditation this evening. I just felt it was a time of year where people struggle and it's not always uplifting time for people. So as I'd had a few people ask me for one-to-ones this evening, I thought it'd be really nice if I just jumped on and could just share it for everybody. So I'll just wait a few minutes for some more people to come on. I hope you're all well, and I hope that this meditation... Hello Carol, nice to see you. I'm glad you could make it. I hope that this just gives you a bit of light and love, and I just hope at this time, if anybody is in like a harsh place, I just hope that my love surrounds you and my light can be your light till you can find yours and shine brightly over this period of time. So I just want you... Hi Lou, lovely to see you. Hope you're feeling okay. So I just want you all to get comfortable. So just relax. So either sit in the sofa, chair, anywhere you feel comfortable. I just want you to just relax your shoulders, give your hands and your toes a wiggle and feel comfortable. I will warn you that during this meditation, I will be doing some light language codes just to help you. So allow your body to absorb the codes and hopefully feel more relaxed and lighter after. So I want you to take a nice deep breath in. So just take a nice deep breath in through your nose. Hold. And then gently just breathe out. Now I want you to close your eyes and take another nice deep breath in through your nose. Filling your chest and your tummy. Hold. And then gently breathe out through your mouth, allowing your shoulders to just relax. Now I want you to take another nice deep breath in through your nose, filling your chest and your tummy. Hold. And then gently breathe out. Now I want you to just allow your body to just take its own natural rhythm of breathing. And I want you to let your arms loose. Allow your knees to become loose as well. And as you gently take a nice breath in, I want you to see a beautiful bright white light flow in through your breath. See it float all the way down through your throat, down through your chest, down through your tummy, down through your legs, all the way down to the tips of your toes. Now I want you to see this pure bright white light flow from your toes up your feet into your ankles, from your ankles up your calves into your knees. See this pure bright white light flow from your knees up your thighs into your hips, from your hips into your tummy, from your tummy up into your chest. See this bright white light flow up into your throat, down into your shoulders, down your arms, all the way down to the tips of your fingers as it fills them one by one. See this pure bright white light flow up into your wrists, from your wrists up into your elbows, and from your elbows up into your shoulders. See this pure bright white light flow up into your neck as it flows all the way down your spine to your tailbone, as it flows up through your lower back, mid-back, and all the way back up into your shoulders, as it flows up through your throat, into your face, filling your jaws, your cheek, your nose, your eyes, your ears, and your forehead. Now gently visualize, feel or imagine this pure bright white light as it flows through your veins, your muscles, your tissues and your organs one by one. And as you gently glance through your body, feeling or imagining any light grey or dark areas, just gently breathe this white light in. And when your body's glowing this beautiful bright white light, see it flow out of your next out-breath as it wraps itself around the entire outside of your body, from the top of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet. I want you to see it expanding out in front of you, behind you, above you and below you. This pure, bright, white light. Now I want you to go back to your heart space in the center of your chest. And as you do so, I want you to feel a ripple of unconditional love as it ripples from your heart space up through your throat all the way up to the top of your head. And as it gently touches the top of your head, see it ripple back down through your face, your throat, your chest, down through your tummy, down your legs, all the way down to the soles of your feet. And as it touches the soles of your feet, feel it ripple back up through your legs, back up through your tummy and back into your heart space. And as it ripples back in your heart space, see it expand out through your aura, out through your body, 6 foot in front of you, behind you, above you and below you. This beautiful ripple of unconditional love as it flows from within you and outside of you. And next I want you to go back to your heart space. And as you do so, feel me place my heart above yours. And as I do, feel this flow of unconditional love and healing as it ripples from my heart space to yours, as it ripples from your heart space all the way up to the top of your head, and all the way back down through your throat, your chest, your tummy, your legs, all the way down to the soles of your feet. And as it ripples back up into your heart space, see it then expand out 6 foot in front of you, behind you, above you and below you. Now I want you to go back to your heart space, and I want you to visualize, feel or imagine just above your heart space, between your heart and your throat, there is a beautiful area which is your highest heart. Now, as that being your center point, I want you to imagine there is a beautiful infinity, and it starts from that center point and flows up to your throat, back down round through your higher heart and back down to your heart space. A beautiful flow of unconditional love between these 3 points. I want you to feel that unconditional love as it activates your heart area and your throat. Allowing you to speak your truth in unconditional love. Have the confidence to be heard and the confidence to feel that inner love you have that is just for you. A knowing, a trusting. Feel that from within. Tunnekiti makiti kushtuola madakiti maihatai naikiti kushti maiti nekiti utushkulu kotienaktai ikti muktu tikida tik tik tikshti naiti oktoimalata iete kete no tutushkidi mata tienek tik tutushti makiti alata inete. As you go back to your heart space, I want you to feel this beautiful flame, this purple flame, as it starts to grow. And as it becomes bigger and bigger, you find yourself engrossed inside it. as this flame goes from the soles of your feet all the way up to the top of your head, as it cleanses and clears all old patterning beliefs and brings in positive, beautiful, vibrating energy. Titi tutushtu titaine titushtina maktu tuli maktaina tik 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 tushtuli naitai hikti ni tina kti murtina la kipoto nai. Now I want to take you to the soles of your feet. And I want you to imagine these beautiful roots growing from the soles of your feet. As they become thicker and stronger, as they root down to Mother Earth, as they go down into the soil, becoming stronger and thicker, grounding your energy, giving you strength for the days ahead, stabilizing your energy and allowing you to feel present, strong. Ta ia ka kaima ia ka kakiteke o kosh kaina ka tiki tuk tur tikanakte tik tik no tushkini amata ide ikite na taite mo korita ide amai. You see these roots coming up through the soles of your feet as they gently wrap themselves around your ankle. And allow these roots to absorb any negative thought patterns, feelings, anything that crops up. Just see it in your mind's eye. Allow yourself to feel it briefly and then surrender it and surround it in unconditional love as we then see it flow down through our body and out to the soles of our feet as it goes back down into Mother Earth and gets transformed into pure unconditional love. I want you to imagine you're in a beautiful, lush green field with the sun beating down on your body. As all the light codes from the sun enter in through the top of your head and filter down through your body, feel the lush green grass beneath your feet. And as you look around, you will notice there's a stream. And as you walk towards the stream, I want you to put your feet gently in the running water. And as the water flows gently over your feet, it takes any last remaining energy that's no longer required for your journey forward as it carries it off down the stream. As your body now feels calmer, more relaxed, and as you gently look around, you will see the most amazing colours as they start to float in and out around your body. Reds, oranges, yellows, greens, turquoises, blues, purples and magentas. Allow these colours to flow in and out of your body, cleansing, clearing, uplifting. As your body becomes even more relaxed. Tiny kikushtu. Whoosh, tiana de morodo. Tiki no kore na tai. I want you to gently step out of the stream and walk back into the beautiful field. And as you stand in the grass, I want you to slowly, ever so slowly, feel the energy running around your body. Feel that unconditional love within your heart and around you. Slowly become aware of the room around you. And then in your own time, wiggle your hands and toes and gently come back into the room. I hope that has given everyone a little something just for the time that's ahead. I hope you feel more relaxed and a bit more energy. I hope you're all okay. Oh, my pleasure, Lou. I hope you have the best Christmas you can. And I wish you all the best for the next few days and the week ahead. And if I feel drawn, I will come back on and do another live. Oh, thank you, Carol. And I wish you all so much love. And like I said, if anyone is in a harsh place, then please take my love and my light until you can shine brightly, beautiful souls. Have a lovely time. Love to you all. Bye.